So I'm out here in the Everglades and I'm checking out the road around the levee, and it looks a little better than I thought. Not as good as I had hoped, but it's kind of gravelly. But I think with the right sail and the right bicycle, I think I can go sailing in the Everglades. Thinking about maybe getting one of those electric wheels in the battery and just go upwind with the electricity and downwind, off the wind with the sail. Be a motor sailor. Motor sailing in the Everglades. This part of the canal, even though the bank's kind of high, there's not too many trees or anything, but I'm liking it. I think it's going to work out. Put the sail on the bike, get a little electric wheel, go upwind with electricity and downwind with the sail and off the wind with the sail. Alright guys, I'm in the Everglades and you're not. Alright, take care. See you out there.